Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
I'm Juliet Johnson. I have a shop in Charles Garden Market. I'm a vendor here more than 12 years. I race me ever see market under me smart hand. The me your hand, Sinclair, and I care if they want lock me shop. I'm a dead labor right. Me no PNP, me no business. It's truth and it's truth. It garbage it tan bad. They hide it from Mr. Mackenzie when he come here. He bathroom tan bad. They hide it from Mr. Mackenzie when he come here. Andrew, Mr. Mackenzie, on no need to get up. I found a body and take a tour in a St. James, Charles Garden Market. Wanna run the people them off of the road. They come in at the dirty, nasty market. I'm here vendors myself. We want help. We want help.
Viewers and subscribers, me bring this video to you mainly in the concern of the people who are complaining in a Charles Garden Market that are Montego Bay Market. You see? The market get visited by the PNP leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, on Saturday, and the people in the market are complaining about the condition of the market. Say it smell bad and nobody now go and buy food from place where, you see me, where not clean. You see me, because remember disease thing, you know. So now, I want to look at this now. I'm really too in the whole politics thing, you know, because this video take over social media in a political way where people start to talk about bad against certain parties and all these things. You see it? But let me tell you something when I notice. You see, anytime election then near, that's the time when you see the work start to put in. So if the market did dirty, I better me I tell you the market will go fix now. And it will go clean. You see it? And then you have this side of party and do work to prove the other side of party wrong. And then the other side of party do the same thing against the other side of party. You know what I mean? And you see, as soon as them win the election and the budget read and that the money they share out, remember me tell you for the next 5 years then a business with you know. Then just go and collect the rest of budget them. You see me? Until the next election then the same thing again. You see? So really and truly, I am not about talking good nor bad about the whole politics thing. No, my main concern is about these people. Them run them off at the road and tell them say them for sell in the market. And the condition of the market not clean, not even the bathroom. You can hear the anger in this lady voice. You see? And it's not only Montego Bay Market, them do people like that, you know. They do the same thing at town. You see me, I say, you name it, any market throughout Jamaica, you see me? But this one really and truly must be in a bad condition for it to hit the social media like this. You see? I can bet so that that might not be the only market we need some form of fixing. Trust me, you might be surprised, but I'm not saying that there are others, but I'm saying it might not be the only one, you see? But anyways, I don't know thing I go already. I just bring two new what go on social media so you can have a view and see what go on in Jamaica, you see? So that right there, so a Charles Garden Market and the vendors, you see me? And not only the vendors, but even customers are complaining about the poor condition of the market, the way all the market is being kept. It's unsanitary. You get what I said to you? Alright? Yeah, and that is in Montego Bay Market. You see me? Some people call it that. Anyways, you don't know anything already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?